Still at the Jubilee Place Mall and didn't find any cafe yet. Let's try running the lift up to that glass lift up there. And it's inside of a store. Oh yeah. But you find a way to get into this lift. And here it is. It is a really nice fish and crab lift. Let's ride it. Here is it. That's right. It's still going up a lot further up. Let's see up the time. Oh yeah, it's just currently skipped our floor. And here are all of the levels of the shopping centre. Just come up. This lift might be busy and crowded with thousands of people. That's rather strange. And yes, coming. Yes. Not heard the chime. Lower more. And the other street level. Here we go down. And one. Let's try finding at the lower mall. Oh dear, crowded now. And here is the Starbucks at the Jubilee Place. Break time. We will be back after this break.